Babo Balen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Villa Pampanga, guys. This is the second day na nandito tayo sa Happy Villa Pampanga. Ayan, this is located sa Malino, San Fernando, Pampanga. And currently, my kids are enjoying the pool. Let's go! Alright, so getting inside, ito yung pinaka-living area natin, guys. Yan, sindihan ko lang yung mga ilaw dahil ang ganda actually dito. Yung likod natin is like a sunken living room, and then dito naman, full HD TV. Ang sarap manood ng ano dito. Netflix, yan, pinapanood natin. So built-in din yung ano natin, videoke natin. And this is supposed to be the dining area, pero dun sa labas kami kumakain. Dito sa baba, meron din siyang CR, common CR. So let's go upstairs. Pakita ko yung room namin. Let's get inside. Ooh, look at this. Ang laki. So each room has CR. Ganda, di ba? And then ito yung master's bedroom natin. Stayed here. And then meron tayong view ng pool area. Meron tayong view ng pool area. Look at that. Okay, so let's check this out. This room naman has beds na double deck. So this is like dorm type. Can accommodate up until 8 person. Meron din siyang sariling CR. There you go. And air conditioning. Same lang tong nandito. Let's just go straight dito sa may balcony area. Spot right here, diba? So meron tayong, anong tawag dito? Duyan chair. Duyan chair. Ayan, guys. You get a view of the entire property. Pool, lawn, and then yung kitchen. Hi, Isa!
Hi. Hello.
Hi, guys!
Hi, guys.
Yo! Okay, so let's get to the kitchen area. Ayun. So, kompleto yung ano natin dito. Kitchen natin. You have your refrigerator, your sink. You also have, ito, nagamit natin to. Rice cooker. And gas range. Cabinet, also good. So, may available din mga cooking wares na rin. Ayan. Walang problema sa buhay. Luis, you good? Luis, you good? Alright. Nice. So itong lawn area natin is very suitable for small event. And then yung parking natin, up until 6 vehicles siguro. Actually kagabi dito, guys, ang ganda ng chill namin dito dahil meron tayong mga running lights or string lights. Meron tayong mga string lights dito. Napaka-romantic ng lugar. Chill. So ayun, guys, we are packing up. Ito yung sobrang enjoy talaga sa ano namin, sa trip namin. We're gonna miss this place kasi sobrang nag-relax po kami kagabi. Although may konting ulan-ulan kagabi, mas masarap yung tulog namin actually. So guys, if you're interested to know more about this, we're gonna, include the details dun po sa caption ng video na to. And if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, a like, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much. Until our next discovery, peace out. Bye, guys.